Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Red Wing Motel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Manitou Springs, Colorado, this motel is 3 blocks from Garden of the Gods. Laundry facilities are located on site. All rooms include free Wi-Fi. Each room at Red Wing Motel has a TV with local channels and online video streaming features. All simply furnished rooms are equipped with tea and coffee making facilities, as well as a refrigerator and microwave. Adjacent to Red Wing Motel Colorado, tennis courts and a children's playground offer recreational fun. A covered picnic area and garden are located on site. Barbecue facilities are available. Cave of the Winds and Pikes Peak are 2.5 miles from this motel. Offering buffalo burgers as well as steak and seafood, the Keg Bar Grill is 5 minutes drive away. Guests can choose from an extensive cocktail list. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.